Wait. All of no one I talked to on the bench. You're really going to do this, your best friend? I can't sit out again. My whole life is sitting on the sideline. This season I make first line.
Call!
Yeah.
You're in goal.
I've never played.
I know. Scoring some shots will give the boys confidence boost. It's first day back thing. Get them energized. Fired up.
What about me?
Try not to take any in the face. Let's go! Come on!
Who is that? Him? I'm not sure who he is. Why? He's in English class.
Press people button. Nobody can come here, no way come. Like how me have 22 in a me son. Still I feel so to get the next son. Press trigger, me no press people button. Nobody can come here, no way come. Like how me have 22 in a me son. To get the next son. Anytime you know you full of wicked shot war. You would have been when the sound was on the time. Bomb, the dang, diggy, diggy.
It was like I had all the time in the world to catch the ball. And that's not the only weird thing. I hear stuff I shouldn't be able to hear. Smell things. Smell things. Like what? Like the mint mojito gum in your pocket. Not even having a mint mojito.